We talk a lot about resource planning and why it's needed. So today, we are going to give you actionable ideas on how you can achieve an elevated state of resource management. In this video, we are going to explain the 5 stages of resource planning and how you can implement them today. I'm Samantha Varner, Customer Success Manager with Tempest Resource, where I work with hundreds of customers around the world on questions just like this one. Stage 1. Before you even consider your resources, you need to know of all of the upcoming work. Make sure that you are building a relationship with your portfolio team so that way you can be in the know. This relationship will serve you well across all resource planning stages. Stage 2. Identify your resource needs. Regardless of timing, you can work with the portfolio team to identify the roles and skills needed for the work. If you're planning early on, you should encourage the team to be more thoughtful about their needs. If this is a last-minute plan, you should work as quickly and as accurately as possible to identify the roles and the availability of those roles. Stage 3. Assign the people who will be doing the work. As the portfolio is defined and approved, you should be replacing those roles with the individual team members who are going to be doing the work. Putting together the puzzle pieces of capacity versus priority is where a resource manager shines. Stage 4, manage the team. As time progresses, actual time spent on a project may go beyond the forecast, or a higher priority project may pop up. All things that you can anticipate, but you just cannot plan for. You must level set your resource plan as time goes on. Stage 5, review, analyze, and plan for the future. Once the project is complete, make sure you are checking your work and making a plan for next year. How accurate was the forecast? What factors were just beyond your control? Analyze the data made available from your resource management software and make a plan for the future. Want to learn more about resource planning? Visit our blog at ProSymmetry.com today.